guys, I got this dash cam in the mail from Amazon the other day, and I'm super excited to see how it works and show you guys how all the functions play out. So first things first, we have the suction cup here. So I'll just show you how that works. You place it on the window and you see this little lever. We're gonna press down and it provides a nice sturdy space so that our camera will not fall. And then second step is we will take this, the actual camera itself, and magnetics. See how easy that was? I'll show you again. Boom! You ain't got to worry about it, boo. She's ready to go. And then so we can move this around. We can get different angles. We can go up, we can go down, left, right, whatever you want to do. When you want to start recording, you'll hit this button. But we're going to go to menu, and we're just going to scroll through the options to see what we have here. So we have exposure and then time and date stamp. And then I'm going to hit mode, and then it gives us event, video, photo, and then I can hit OK to enter. This is the on and off button. So if I want to turn it off, I will just turn it off like so, and I'm going to turn it back on. Okay, and then so when you are first beginning to do this, you will need to have your cigarette hole so that this is going to be where that plugs in. And then there are other buttons here that you can mess around with, and of course it'll come with an instruction manual, so if you have any further questions, that's going to be your source. But let's get in and see how this baby works. So, safety is first. And look at that coloration, baby. That's super awesome. And again, if I don't like that, I can change the perspective just by moving it a bit to adjust the camera. Okay, and it looks like we're good to go. I hope you check this product out on Amazon. Take care.